So I'm here with my Husqvarna zero turn. It's probably the best zero turn I have right now as far as newest. It cuts good, it runs good. There was a little issue with the deck. I bought a new pulley today. That pulley was loud, the original one, so I'm going to change that out. That's a new belt. I just put a belt on recently, but it's shredded. I think it's because of that pulley. Anyway, we got a new pulley, new belt. I got new spark plugs. Got to put those in. The kids stole my fuel pump, but I got a spare one. I just got the battery put in it, and it still has the ATV tires. I want to do some wheelies before we do some mowing. One issue with doing wheelies, that heat shield on the muffler, that hits the ground first. It limits your wheelies. I don't want to be limited, so I'm going to take that off. Then I'll probably take the muffler off. We can do loud, high wheelies on a zero turn. Then we'll put that back on, put the deck back on, and do some mowing. That grass is growing. So things were going really good. Had this thing almost ready to go, and then they said the pizza's ready. The oldest daughter had made pizza. I'll show you a picture of that right here. So good. Then I put out a video. And now I'm back. It's almost dark. We're just not getting gas in it. I gotta go find some more gas. That should be enough to get it started. And if you're thinking, taking the muffler off, that's dumb. Yeah, but it's what I want to do. And with this, I mean, how about I live all these years without one of these? It makes life so much, makes work so much quicker. So I just pulled out 6 bolts. The muffler should fall right off, and it's quick and easy because I was able to use the impact wrench, except for 2 of them I had to use this ratchet. Here, let's test it. Muffler's off. It had rust holes in it anyway. We might replace the muffler. Well, it's special mounting bracket. We'll probably still use this. This is just temporary. I'm not leaving it like this. I don't want to mow for hours with this loud exhaust. But I want to hear it without exhaust. And now it's dark, so we might be doing the wheelies in the morning. Clear. Now I'm thinking some kind of custom exhaust. That'd be a one-of-a-kind Husqvarna zero turn then. Custom exhaust. Okay, here is our exhaust. It's pretty heavy duty. Let's go see if we can make it work. Let's go make it work. And I'm thinking the determining factor is, does it fit on the pipe? It did on the last time I did this. It is perfect. Snug. Goes right on. Alright. So when I first cut it, it was a U shape, then I cut it again. Now it's 2 L shapes, 2 angles. And this is not the look I'm going for. This is just for fun. Let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. I'm almost thinking car show worthy. And that is a possibility. This mower might stay loud. So here's what I'm thinking. I've got these 2 parts off of the pressure washer. This came off of a future mower project. I'm not planning on using this on that. Anyway, if I could put this one on here, drill a hole, have two coming into one, make some kind of bracket that goes through here, problem solved. We're done. I think we've almost got it. I got to cut this one off shorter, but I believe we're getting close. Something like that, just not that crooked. Okay, I've got the exhaust sitting in place. It's pretty snug. This is tight, that's tight, that's tight. I got to do a little work here. Before I weld it together, let's see what it sounds like. And if it don't stay on here long, it might go on the next V-twin mower. We'll see. That's good enough. You guys remember Major Dan Murray? That sounds a lot like Major Dan Murray, maybe a little better. I know I can't do wheelies now, but I wonder if that exhaust is going to hit the ramp on the way down. Let's try it. So I'm here with a loud Husqvarna and it's time to do some mowing. Here is the deck. It needs a little bit of rust work done to it. We'll do that next time. Anyway, I gotta get the new blades on, the new pulley's gotta be put on, the new belt's gotta be put on, the deck's gotta be put under, and then we're ready to mow. So here's the corner. Come in closer for a better before and after. So there is not a whole lot left on that one. This is the new one. Oh, that's a whole lot better. And so both new blades are now on. Let's give it a spin. So there's the Husky. Here's the Husqvarna. I got to put my deck under. Dustin challenged me to a race who could mow first. He's 99% done, and I still got to put my deck under, put the belt on. Anyway, we had to go eat dinner. And I snuck back out. I'm going to try to get mine running before he gets back. How do you turn this thing off? Okay, long story short, he got his all put together. I've got one spring to put on. The spring is being a pain. I'm going to call it a tie because he's still working on his. I ain't got mine on. I'll see if I can get it on here in the next few seconds. Mine is right here on the ramps. Help me fight this spring. We're done. We're together. We're done. Yep. And I got my earmuffs ready. It is update time. I went ahead and put the muffler back on. You don't need all that loudness when you're mowing. And I'm going to save that header for a whole nother project. Let me give you a hint of that right here. And let's hear what this sounds like with the muffler on. That's better. Now I'm going to put the guard back on, put the shield back on, put the hitch back on. I missed that hitch. Alright, good news. Everything's all back together. The muffler's on, the heat shield's on, the hitch is on, the engine guard's back on. It's time to go do a little mowing. But in this heat, I'm only going to mow for a few minutes. Just enough for the video.